Hi, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 13th episode to create an e-commerce website using WooCommerce. In the previous episode, we worked on the FAQ page, and today we'll work on the blog page. First of all, let's create some categories. So open your admin panel, go to post and click on categories. Then you can add some categories over here. For example, business, fashion trends, and global. Now if you want to create some post, you can click on this add new. You can then add your title over here and then add all of your content inside this classic block. If you want to add read more, then you can just click on this insert read more tag. And finally, if you want to add the feature image, click on the document and click on feature image. Then I will use any one of the old images and click on publish. Now I will pause my video and create rest of the post. Once you finish adding all the posts, you can open your blog page and you should see all the posts that you have added. And if you want to remove this unwanted footer widget, then you can do so by clicking on this index.php and removing this line of code. Refresh the site again and it should be gone. Now if you look at the blog page in our design, you should only see 3 posts and a pagination, but in our site you can see all the posts are showing. So if you only want to show 3 posts, then open your admin panel, go to setting and click on reading. Then here instead of 10 you can write 3 and click on save. Now if you refresh the site, you should only see 3 posts and the pagination. Just click on any one of the posts. You can see the navigation as well and a comment form. I think everything is working fine now. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the contact page. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.